Hello. Today we're going to be covering how to e-file forms in a yearly program. We'll be covering how to select forms, select services, correct errors, and enter payment information. To file forms electronically through Yearli, you will need to have an eFile Center account set up. If an account is not set up in the program, you can click on the eFile Center button on the main screen. A message will appear asking if you have an eFile Center account. If you have set up an eFile Center account in the past, you can click Yes to retrieve your existing account. If you have never set up an eFile Center account or do not remember your eFile Center credentials, you can click No to set up a new account. If you choose to retrieve your account, you will enter your user ID and password for the existing account in the appropriate fields. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password button to have a temporary password sent to your email address. After entering your information, click Retrieve Account. A message will appear indicating your account has been activated. Click OK. After setting up your account, click on the eFile Center button on the main screen. Choose the form type you will be filing, then click Next. Choose a service you would like to perform, then click Next. For a description of the service, hover your mouse over the text of the desired service. In this example, we are filing W-2 forms to both federal and state agencies. If you are filing W-2 forms, you will choose the employment type. Choose the applicable type and click Next. If you're filing to a state agency, the state will need to be chosen. In this example, we are filing to the state of Wisconsin. Choose the state you are filing to and click Next. Next, you will choose the payer or payers you would like to file in this filing. Check the box next to the Payers 10 to select the payer for filing. If you would like to file specific recipients for a payer rather than all recipients, click the Select Recipients button at the bottom. Click Next after choosing your payers. If you are filing to a state agency, a payer will need to be chosen to file to the selected state. Choose the payer you are filing to the state agency, then click Next. If the state you are filing to requires a reconciliation form, the reconciliation form will need to be completed. Highlight the payer you would like to edit the reconciliation form for and click the Complete Reconciliation button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the applicable information on the form and click OK. A message will appear indicating that the form will be saved. Click Yes. Click Next when all the reconciliation forms are complete. Yearli will do some validation checking. If there are any errors with the filing, the errors will be displayed at this time. If an error is displayed, scroll to the right to read the entire error message. In this case, the payer is missing critical information such as the zip code extension, country code, email address, or phone number. Click Print to print the error, or OK to close the message. To resolve this error, we will go to the payer list and enter a phone number. You will notice that there is a contact phone number entered already, but there is no phone number in the phone/extension field. A phone number for the payer will need to be entered in the phone/extension field in order to e-file. After the errors have been resolved, click on the eFile Center button and go through the same e-file process as we did before. This time, no errors are found. A summary screen will be displayed. You can click the Print Details button to print this screen for your records if you like. Check the I agree to terms and conditions checkbox to enable the Next button. Click Next when you are ready to continue with the filing. If you have purchased a prepaid code from our sales department, that code will be entered here. If you do not have a prepaid code, you can use a credit card to complete the filing. Previously saved credit cards will be displayed here. If there is no credit card on file, click on the Add a Credit Card link to enter new credit card information. Enter your information on the screen, then click Save to save the card. Choose a card you would like to complete the filing with and click Send. A message will appear indicating that your forms have been successfully filed. If you have further questions about the process of e-filing forms through the program, you can call us at 920-339-3200 or email us at desktop.support@greatland.com.